Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday February the 27th 2023. No, I've told you there are no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the edition of Saturday February the 25th 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So in this additional, two puzzles are left, and in the puzzle page also two puzzles are left. Alright, Two Stars Sudoku number 6032. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, and it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a pair, sometimes you have in the puzzle a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4 in this last column, no 4 there. Here 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. How about interesting. 6, 7, 8. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. Those 5 missing numbers, 3 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6 and the 7. We have a 8, 6, and a 7 in this column. So no 8, 6, and a 7 in these two boxes. The 8, 6, and the 7 goes in those 3 boxes. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. And a 7 could be everywhere. 7, 6, 8. 8, 7, 6, 8, 7, 6, 8, 7, 6. Okay, so what are those two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. Alright, so we have a 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. Need a 4 there. Need a 6 there. Need a 2 here. 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see how 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, okay. 1. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have 6 and 8 in this column, so no 6 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Alright. Then, what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, and look, with 3 and a 9 in this row. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. So one digit left. Should be the 2. Okay. 7. Okay. 1. 2, yeah. The 2 in the third column, the 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. 7 and 8. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have an 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright, 1, 1. Then 1, 6, 9. 9, 9. Need a 9 there. 9, 1, 6. 9, 1. 1, 9, 6. And a 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in the second column, so no 5 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and 9, we have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 6. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. Here can be an 8 in this column. No 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 7 and 6 are left. 7 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 5, 4, 4. 4, 4, 5, 5. Well, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Yeah, 3 is missing. So we have 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see and 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Yeah. 1 and a E, I believe. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 1 goes there. 9. So we have 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between second row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Wait. Okay. 3. Interesting. 5 and a 9, 5, 9, and the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Alright. 4, 5, okay, 2 and 3, 5 and the 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. I believe the 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Alright. And now. 7, 7. Come on. 3, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, how about a 2 then? Need a 2 here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 now in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Then. Okay, so we have a 3 in this column. 3, last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 1. 7, 5, 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. and all the 7s are used. I can see this is number 6, number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 4, the 9, and the 5 are missing. 4, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 5. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4, 5, 9. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow. Yeah, not faster than 50 minutes. Well, let me give this a 2 stars then. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with Tectonic. Yeah, Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.